Hello, let's open this Clearbrook filter water container. Let's start by placing the rubber base at the bottom of the container. Next, assemble the valve. Join the rubber and metal and screw them from the inside. Once it's screwed in properly, we'll begin with the top part. It's time to place the two activated carbon filters inside the container and screw them in. Using a screwdriver, separate the screw from the lid to adjust it and close it. Now you have your filtered water container ready to use.